What's up, my friends? Welcome to the channel. I'm Scotty James, and this is the Hellraisin Hellraiser channel, where we are all about having fun and raising hell in my 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Widebody and my 94 25th anniversary Pontiac Trans Am. As you can see, we're in the Hellraiser, and we are on our way to SweetCars here in Fort Wayne, Indiana, to get our full PPF done and ceramic coating on the Hellraiser. Now guys, I wish I would have got this done as soon as I bought the car. I looked into it, and I was originally planning on taking it right from the dealer lot and getting the PPF done and ceramic coat and the works. But I cheaped out, and I really wish I had it, because even though I've only got just shy of 4,000 miles on this car, there are a few rock chips on the front. The fender flares, they kind of got beat up pretty good on the bottom. So if any of you guys have a new car or getting a new car and are on the fence about getting PPF and ceramic coat and all that, I definitely recommend you do it when the car is brand new, but you definitely don't want to wait. Alright guys, I'll talk to you a little more when we get there.
A few minutes later.
Alright guys, we're here. Now let me take you around the car for one last look at the Hellraiser before it gets transformed.
Many minutes later.
Alright guys, the Hellraiser is finally done. So let's go inside and see how she looks. Guys, let me take you for a little walk through the SweetCars showroom.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
And the Hellraiser is done. It's looking real pretty.
So you have your entire vehicle wrapped in Suntek Ultra clear,
cool.
And then your spoiler has Suntek matte finish. That way it keeps this matte finish, doesn't gloss it over.
Really? So that is wrapped too?
Yep.
Oh, that's
so you have the metal wrap. So you're going to see some edges like that.
Right.
That'll cure out over time.
Oh, will it? Okay.
Yep. So it's self-healing film, especially once it hits the sun. That's what's really going to help cure it out. So you'll notice a couple spots on there.
Okay. Now, does it need to stay out of rain or not be washed for a while? Or?
So we ask for 5 to 7 days not to wash it.
Okay.
If you're going to be pressure washing, be mindful of your edges, obviously.
Okay.
Especially while it's still curing out, has the ability to potentially lift. With hand washing now, if you don't already, have an electric leaf blower.
I do have one. And would that be better to blow it off and dry it? Okay.
Yep.
Should I use any kind of wheel cleaner? Because right now I use like Meguiar's wheel cleaner and brushes and clean the inside. Should I still do that?
We'll work with that.
So Meguiar's all wheel cleaner is okay to use? Okay.
The calipers are also coated then too.
Okay.
With the new cans, we coat those as well. So it'll make it easier to clean those up too.
Yeah, those look nice, man. Really good. The wheels, I just can't believe how much the coating brought out the satin in the wheels. It really brought out that satin finish. So Looks really good. Well, what about care, like ceramic touch-up? I have the ceramic graphene detail spray from Adams, and I also have the ceramic waterless wash, which I really like. So should I use either one? What
You
would
can still use them both.
And then I come in once a year for the
once a year,
touch-up or whatever you do, check-up, whatever you call it. Okay.
Real good hand wash. Just double check all the properties, make sure they're working as they should. Comes with a lifetime warranty on the ceramic.
Right.
Films 10 years.
Okay.
If you notice over time, like some of the edges, with it being like fully wrapped, like you can see there's that one little tiny spot.
Yeah, you're always gonna have like corners you can't get. I know that. Yeah.
But if like an edge feels like it's starting to lift or anything, stop by, see us. We can do some trimming or do anything we need.
Right on.
So your hood was a lot of fun.
Oh, I bet, man. All them different. There's no flat spots on it.
No.
It's all curves. I've heard the bumpers aren't too much fun either, but I mean, there's so much
Bumper,
curves.
he said, actually, surprisingly, was not too bad.
Really?
He was expecting it to be a pain.
Wow.
We drug through it.
Right on. That's cool.
Now your hood, this is the third piece we put on.
No way! Yes way!
Was it just getting stuff lined up or getting bubbles out, or what was the hard part of it?
Just everything wouldn't lay how we was liking. So if you see like in the corner here, this should all come out.
Okay.
So there's some like stretching marks,
there's like
adhesion marks. That should,
here.
once the sun goes.
Kind of like your window tint. You little bubbles appear out.
Yep. If it does not, obviously come back to see it.
Sure. Right on.
Got the warranty. We'll take care of it.
It looks amazing though. I mean, the color, the gloss, it looks great, man. I thought it looked good before, but it's like one more level up from what it was before.
Let's see what it looks like in the sun.
Yes, sir. All right, guys, let me take you around the Hellraiser and show you how it turned out.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Well, my friends, as you can see, the Hellraiser is safely back home, and I couldn't be happier. I really miss my baby. It's been gone for a week. But I'll tell you what, guys, it was totally worth it. The car looks completely amazing. The color pops like it never did before. It's so glossy and deep looking. You just really have to see it in person to appreciate it. And I am so happy I finally did this on my car. If any of you are on the fence about paint protection film and ceramic coating, I recommend get it as soon as you can because you won't regret it. So guys, I want to thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to drop me a like and a comment and subscribe below. It helps the channel greatly. And I just want to say I really appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in. And I'll catch you guys next time on the Hellraisin Hellraiser channel.